Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So, in this figure, a triangle ABC is shown where angle A is theta, angle C is twice theta. Also, measure of side AB is 10 units and BC is 6 units. Here, it is given that the figure is not drawn to scale, and we are asked to find the area of this triangle ABC. So if we want to find area of any triangle, if two adjacent sides are given and if we know the included angle between them, say for example, let this be beta, then area of the triangle will be equal to half times the measure of adjacent sides, that is 10 times 6 times the sine of angle between them. So we can write sine of beta. So now our main focus will be to find the value of sine beta. For that, let us apply law of sines in triangle ABC. So we know that if we have a triangle where the three sides are A, B and C respectively, say this is vertex A, this is vertex B and this is vertex C, then according to law of sine, A upon sine of angle A is equal to B upon sine of angle B is equal to C upon sine of angle C. So if A is selected, then the opposite to this, the angle is capital A, this angle. So A upon sine A equals B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. This is called law of sines. So let us apply law of sines in triangle ABC, which is given in the figure. So this will give us 6 divided by opposite to 6 is theta or A. So we can write sine theta is equal to then 10. Opposite to 10 is 2 theta. So we can write 10 divided by sine of 2 theta. This can be further written as 10 divided by sine 2 theta can be written as 2 times sine theta cos theta. We can cancel this. So this will be 5 times. So here we will get 6 upon sine theta is equal to 5 upon sine theta cos theta. Now let us multiply both sides by sine theta. So let us multiply sine theta on left hand side and sine theta on right hand side. So this will cancel and similarly this will cancel. So we will be left with 6 is equal to 5 upon cos of theta, or we can write cos theta is equal to 5 upon 6. From here we can write theta is equal to cos inverse 5 upon 6, and this will be equal to approximately 33.56 degrees. So this theta is 33.56 degrees. So this angle double of theta will be twice 33.56, which is 67.12 degree. Now using angle sum property of a triangle, we will calculate the value of this missing angle beta. So 33.56 plus 67.12 plus beta is equal to 180 degree. So beta will be 180 minus 33.56 minus 67.12, which will give us beta is equal to 79.32 degrees. Now we have the value of beta, so we can directly compute the area of triangle. So this will be half times, this will be 10 times 6, 60 times sine of 79.32 degrees. So this will cancel, so 30 times. So this will be 30 times sine 79.32 degree is approximately 0.983. We will take up to 3 decimal places. On multiplying this, we will get approximately 29.5. So the area of triangle ABC is approximately 29.5 5 square units. So this is one method using trigonometry by which we can find the area of this triangle. There are other methods also in which we can do some construction here and can find the area of triangle ABC. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends, and if you want to get more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.